The legend of MALIETOA. The legend of MALIETOA is one of the most important stories in Samoan history and culture. It explains the origin of the MALIETOA chiefly title, which remains one of Samoa's highest and most respected titles to this day. The story teaches lessons about unity, bravery, and leadership, and it reflects the values and experiences of Samoan society during a time of conflict. By understanding this legend, one can appreciate how Samoans have historically valued courage, community cooperation, and strong leadership in defending their land and people. Origin of the name. The name MALIETOA comes from the Samoan phrase, Ue Malietoa, which translates roughly as, the warriors are defeated. According to legend, this phrase was declared after a great victory over invading forces. The title was given to the leader who demonstrated courage, strategy, and skill in battle, earning the respect of his people and the right to lead them. Over time, the title MALIETOA became more than a recognition of military strength. It came to represent moral and political leadership, responsibility to the community, and protection of the Samoan people. The story. The legend begins during a period when Samoa faced threats from outside invaders. Villages were under attack, and communities were at risk of losing their lands and freedom. The Samoan people had to unite to defend themselves. During this time, a chief emerged who would later receive the MALIETOA title. He led his warriors in a series of battles against the invaders, showing exceptional courage, intelligence, and determination. The fighting was fierce, and victory was not easy. The invaders were strong, but the Samoans relied on their knowledge of the land, their unity, and their commitment to protecting their homes. In one decisive battle, the chief led his people in a strategic plan that overwhelmed the enemy. After the invaders were defeated, the people proclaimed, Ue Malietoa, marking the first time the title MALIETOA was used. This moment symbolized the triumph of the Samoan people and the bravery of their leader. Lessons of the legend. The legend of MALIETOA teaches several important lessons that continue to resonate in Samoan culture today. 1. Unity. One of the strongest messages of the story is the importance of unity. The Samoan people could not have defeated the invaders without working together. Villages had to set aside differences and cooperate for the common good. This reflects the central role of Aga, family, and Fono council meetings in Samoan society, where decisions are made collectively and everyone contributes to the well-being of the community. 2. Bravery. Courage is another key theme. The leader who became MALIETOA demonstrated bravery not only in battle but also in making difficult decisions for the protection of his people. The story emphasizes that true bravery is not reckless aggression but careful, thoughtful action taken for the benefit of others. 3. Leadership. The legend also teaches what it means to be a good leader. Leadership in Samoa is not just about personal power. It is about responsibility, service, and earning the respect of the people. The MALIETOA chief showed wisdom, fairness, and courage, qualities that have become associated with the title. Leadership is intertwined with moral character, the ability to unite people, and the protection of the community. Conclusion. The legend of MALIETOA is a story of bravery, unity, and leadership. It explains the origin of one of Samoa's most important chiefly titles and highlights the values that have guided Samoan society for generations. The phrase Ue Malietoa symbolizes not only a historical victory, but also the qualities that define good leadership: courage, wisdom, and dedication to the community. By remembering and honoring the story of MALIETOA, Samoans continue to celebrate the strength and resilience of their people, ensuring that these values remain central to Samoan culture today. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something today. See you on the next episodes more about Samoa history, myths, and legends.